This is a thrust fault on Pembrokeshire coast. As you see, the fault has formed here, and then the pressure has pushed it over the underlaying, the same layer that was actually, they were joined somewhere down there, and push it over it. Now it is over. And another thrust fault has formed here. That's a hanging wall. And then this area, you can see the complexity of here. This triangular area. And then all the Pembrokeshire is this kind of thrust fault and faults. And this is one of the most common geological features. Thrust faulting is probably the most common geological feature. That's the reason we have hills in the Pembrokeshire and anywhere in the world that you see fault and faulting is because of this. This is the age of it is Variscan orogeny. Between 180 to 130, 160 million years approximately, if I'm right. I should look in the references for this, but as far as I remember. This is a beautiful example of fault. That's a hanging wall of a fault, thrust fault. The rock was pushed over, folded here, then the push caused it shearing, and is now over the underlaying layer. There's a reason there is a hills here. Everywhere you see faulting, definitely there is faulting and thrust faulting associated with it. This is the closest you can get to a fold. This is the top part of a thrust fault, actually. Anyway, when you have a fault, eventually it will cause shearing, and when the shearing happens, you will have thrust. That's it. Folding leads to thrust. I've never seen a case without a fault somewhere there was not a thrust or fault. That rips the rock apart eventually. A little bit further that way, on the beach, you can actually see a good example, probably the best example of the thrust fault in the world. Broad Haven, Pembrokeshire. This is Broad Haven, and this is the top fault part of a thrust fault. And this is the closest you can get to a thrust fault.